The topic for today is new arrivals. Now, why is this topic important? This is important from tax point of view because when people come to Australia, they think they should work or they should earn some money. Well, everyone cannot work and everyone cannot have a tax file number. Now, which people, which category of people can have the tax file number or ABN number and who have got right to work? International students, you guys get about 20 hours a week right to work, so you can apply for a tax file number or an ABN number and an ABN number, but the tax file number is the starting point. So you apply your tax file number in case you want to work. The other is permanent resident. Obviously they got right to work unlimited, they can work as many hours as they want. And the next is work visa. There are this is a category when you are sponsored by an employer, your employer sponsor you. Normally you can work only with that company, depends on your work visa, but if you are sponsored by an employer from overseas, normally there is a condition that you have to work in that company only. So in that case also you need a tax file number. You need to apply for a tax file number if you want to work, if you want to join that company. The two other categories are backpackers and working holiday visa. These backpackers, some can work, some cannot work. It depends if they have got the work right or not. Normally they get a work right. And the last category is working holiday. Working holiday visa is like a backpacker, but they can work during the holidays. So they are doing holidays as well as working. So they can apply for a tax file number, and they should apply. If they want to work, they should apply. If they don't want to work, there is no need to apply for a tax file number. There is one thing, there is one category called tourist, or people who have come to visit. Those people, they do not have right to work. They are just here for a visit to meet their friend or see the country. Those people, they cannot work and they cannot apply for a tax file number. Even if they will apply it, it will be rejected because tax office checks the visa category before allotting a tax file number. So if you are a tourist, you cannot work, you do not work, please, and you cannot apply for a tax file number. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.